talking to swans, breaking up the vibe with graceful moves in their silky white tribe, splashing and honking like they're the kings, messing with the harmony that true love brings.
Birds in love, the swans don't care, flying high without a care. Feathers flutter, heartbeats race, finding joy in their own space.
Swans try to show off, but feel so bad. Our lovebirds laugh, no reason to be sad. Their bond was stronger than the swan parade. In a world of chaos, their love had stayed.
Back to the sky where the stars align, birds sang a melody sweet and divine. Swans gave up, tired of the show. Lovebirds kept it cool, wouldn't let it go. Birds in love, the swans don't care, flying high without a care. Feathers flutter, heartbeats race, finding joy in their own space.
Birds in love, the swans don't care, flying high without a care. Feathers flutter, heartbeats race, finding joy in their own space. Swans tried to show off but failed so bad. Our lovebirds laughed, no reason to be sad. Their bond was stronger than the swan parade. In a world of chaos, their love had stayed.
Birds in